I'll say it clear. I'll state my case, of which I'm certain.
Hey guys, if you're wanting to head to Thailand's gorgeous islands, I recommend you put Koh Samui on your must-see list.
It's super easy to get over to the island via ferry, which we booked on Want2Go Asia for $9 per person. You can also arrange transportation to your hotel through the ferry company, which I recommend because Grab and taxis are super expensive on the island, almost like double or triple the price.
I'll state my case, of which I'm.
We stayed at this awesome beachside hotel, Three Trees.
It had hammocks and an infinity pool right on the beach. You can rent scooters for 200 baht per day, or a car for 500 per day. We rented both over the span of the week that we were there.
You'll want to rent transportation because Grab and the taxi prices on the island are crazy.
Today, we're headed to Na Mueang Waterfall.
Na Mueang is a gorgeous waterfall that actually cascades down into two with a swimming hole at the base of the waterfall.
But first, we headed to this awesome place called Na Mueang Restaurant.
I'll state my case, of which I'm.
Here you can get a Thai omelet for 50 baht, and the prices are super cheap. And if you guys don't know what a Thai omelet is, it's actually our staple food while in Thailand. It's cheap, fills you up, and it's basically just an omelet over rice. Koh Samui, trying to get to Na Mueang as early as possible. We were there for maybe an hour, 45 minutes, and when it turned around 1 p.m., that's when it got super packed. Everybody started coming.
We want as much of the waterfall as possible. Koh Samui has tons of waterfalls, and Na Mueang Falls is one of the best to visit on the island.
I recommend you visit early because it gets crowded quick.
I'll state my case, I'll say it clear. I'll state my case, of which I'm certain.
After hitting the waterfall, we headed to one of the most popular areas of the island, which is Cha Wang District.
Not only is there a huge central festival mall here, but there's also an awesome night market and a beautiful beach. The beach is filled with restaurants in the evening and really comes alive with parties and events. Next week, we're headed to Koh Phangan for a day, so stay tuned.